Removing your credit or debit card from Temu is a straightforward process. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to remove your card effortlessly. To begin, ensure that you are logged into your Temu account. Navigate to the Temu website, accessible via Google or directly through temu.com. Once logged in, locate and click on your account profile. This action will direct you to a new page within your account settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Payment Methods. Click on this section to proceed. Within the Payment Methods section, you'll find a list of your saved payment options. Look for the card you wish to remove from your account. Click on the respective card, and a prompt will appear, allowing you to delete or remove the selected card from your Temu account. Confirm the removal and you're all set. Your credit or debit card has been successfully removed from Temu. That's it. You've completed the process of removing your credit or debit card from Temu. We hope you found this guide helpful.